If you've created a Facebook business page and are wondering when it will appear in Google search results, you're not alone. Many beginners ask this question because having your page show up on Google can help attract new customers and increase visibility online. While there's no exact timeline, understanding how Google indexes pages and what you can do to speed up the process will give you a better idea of what to expect. First, it's important to know that Google doesn't automatically show every Facebook page right away. Indexing depends on factors like page activity, completeness, and relevance. A fully completed page with accurate business information, like your address, phone number, website, and category, has a much higher chance of appearing in search results. Make sure your page is fully filled out, active, and regularly updated with posts, photos, and services. Another factor is page activity and engagement. Google tends to prioritize pages that are active and engage with their audience. Posting regularly, responding to comments, and encouraging reviews can help your page become more visible. Pages that are updated consistently signal to Google that the page is relevant and trustworthy. If your page is brand new, it might take a few days to several weeks before it starts appearing in Google search results. Sometimes it can take up to a couple of months, especially if your page is new or your website and other online profiles aren't linked. You can help speed up the process by sharing your page on other platforms, linking it from your website, and submitting your page URL to Google Search Console. Additionally, reviews and backlinks can improve visibility. Pages with positive reviews and links from trusted websites or directories are more likely to show up higher in search results. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and make sure your page is connected to your online presence, including your website and social media accounts. Finally, remember that patience is key. Google indexing isn't instant, but by optimizing your Facebook business page, staying active, and promoting it across the web, you increase the chances of appearing in search results faster. Consistency and quality are what really make the difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical tips to grow your online presence.